at 4 o'clock, 4 baje ka live, and we're going to be showing you some stunning brand new pieces for you to have a look at. We're facing some technical error on Facebook, so that's the issue that we are having. We'll try to go live, otherwise we'll be posting it on Facebook in a while. Now let's get started. We have a beautiful mix. सिर्फ 14 pieces हैं आपको देखने के लिए. So it's going to be a really crisp and lovely, display of our premium pieces. Now this dupatta is really pretty and it is an organza, and you can really be wearing it on anything. I'm wearing the Gulbuta. This is the signature color for a reason. इस पे सब कुछ जाता है. So whether it's going to be a peach dupatta, whether it's going to be the look that you've seen earlier, which is the organza one, everything works on it. I'm going to give you a quick display on this dupatta and then move on to the next stellar pieces that we have for you. Look at that. That's your dupatta. It's in cut work. It's got two pieces, like two colors. This is peach and this is very light pink. It's a really pretty one to be kind of wearing. From that, we're going to move on to a stellar pieces, a brand new piece just for you. Oh my God. Look at that. This is pure silk. It's got the rung cut effect, and I'm going to be showing you the most gorgeous, yes, it's in karwa, and I'm going to be showing you two gorgeous ways of wearing it. But first things first, just look at that, the whole look and view right here in front of you. Okay, how you can place your order is just by simply sending us a screenshot and coming on WhatsApp. Okay, चलिए दिखाते हैं. पहले मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ एक प्लेन फैब्रिक के साथ this very perfect and lovely piece. Okay, so this is how we're going to be wearing it, and it's like this. So when you're looking for a place really plain silk which is really good, यही आपका combination रहेगा. And yes, you can go for embellishment, accentuation, nice kalidar kurta, और ये look. It's very good. Okay, now let's add some more fun to it. Now I'm going to be giving you this. Now when you are in the mood to dress it up, then you can do it like this. What are you doing? एक जाल का तान silk fabric है. This is of course you can see there's just that touch of sona and rupa. This is also sona. Yes. Okay, so now you can see this. That's the whole look that you can see right there. And of course, आप फिर भी चाहें तो we can still look at me get the fabric back again. We can still do the bottom as plain. So you can have iska. Look at that. Now let me try show you. Yes, you can do the bottom. This is the kurta and this gorgeous dupatta. I'm going to show it to you again. There you go. You can see the whole look right there for you to have a look. Okay. From that, we move on to a really wonderful fabric. Hello Facebook, I think we seem to be finally working. All that we have done so far is one wonderful dupatta. Let's show it again. Okay, we'll show you this really gorgeous one. You can see it here, and we have shown a combination with this one. Sorry Instagram to kind of repeat myself again, but the Facebook live was somehow stuck. It just got started, and I did want to kind of show these pieces. So that's the combination, and then we also have the plain fabric, which is kind of looking so wonderful with it. So go for any of these combinations, you really can't go wrong. How are you going to place your order? It's going to be on WhatsApp. Yes, that's the way that you can place your order. And this is the next one, and I'm very happy to be launching this brand new fabric in brocade weave. This is our brand new collection, and it's been done in this new style of weaving. If you can believe it, this is actually the back of the fabric. It is that clean, that gorgeous, and just superbly easy to wear. Okay, brocades can be all types. I cannot suggest, I cannot comment on what else is there, but I can tell you this, that look at this. This is how our brocades are. This is ultra soft, easy. You're going to be doing a same on same. Okay, it's just like just goes without thinking. You can do a gold tissue dupatta with it. You can go for a dressier one. But honestly, जब आप ये पहन रहे हैं तो पूरा look इसका है. It's just amazing the way it falls and feels. Ultra soft. Buy per meter, so you can buy per meter. And top and bottom ले सिर्फ इसका कुर्ता बनाए plain black ले, सलवार के लिए. and you can even do a A-line, you can do a structured kalidar kurta. It's going to be gorgeous. So this is our new brocade launching for you in black, and you will see it's got this two combination in the bail. That's what we were trying to do when we were making it, and I think it does come out really well. And yes, it's a creeper design, so it goes all over. From that, yes, we're doing lots of silk for the season. That's right here, and there you go. This is your entire look. And last week we of course did our first big launch for the season, which I hope you guys have seen. If not, of course, it's all there on Instagram and on Facebook, of course on YouTube too. Now, Katan silk pehnne ka ye mauka hai, because you know, when you're looking for that complete, great, full look, this is like your obvious choice with just a touch of Meena. This one is a gorgeous color that you can be kind of going for. I love the whole look. It's a fabulous silk to be going for. And another premium cotton, of course I'm wearing a premium cotton, and I'm going to be showing you another lovely color. Here it is. This is the Gulbuta cotton, which is 7,800 per meter. This is 6,800 per meter, and I'm going to be showing you the most amazing combination with it. अगर आपने हमारा प्रीमियम कॉटन नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया है, I'm telling you, you're missing something. It is the most amazing fabric that you will see. Look at that. We do have colors in it, but right now what I'm showing to you is this, because it is the perfect match. Look at that. I'm going to show you the full dupatta. So it's like a hand work dupatta, and you can see all the detailing right there. It's just so pretty with its delicate detailing, and this as a combination, it's perfect. Okay. Plain bottom आप लेंगे चंदेरी का. This dupatta 15,800. This fabric 6,800 per meter. You have a wonderful set, okay, as a full look, which is anything other than silk. आराम है इसको पहनने का. इसकी beauty जो है वो absolutely unmatched है. It's like a winner all the way, and it's a perfect combination ready to again go out to you. So from there we're going to move on to another. This dupatta was organza. I'm going to now go for a full organza look that you can see right here. There you go. So that's a really, you know, attractive, because it's a very light mauve, the base color. Or jo iske Meena hai, it's got this, you know, look at that. It's just a really nice purple shade, and what a wonderful full effect. It's it comes with a plain chanderi bottom. It is absolutely gorgeous, okay, as a complete look. Now, कुछ जो pieces हमारे होते हैं, they are complete set like this one, so you can only get it as a set. Now, something like an ensemble is going to be this one, where it's a gorgeous dupatta that you can kind of pair with this wonderful fabric, and here it is. There you go. It's a wonderful fabric that you can wear together. ये Georgette dupatta है. It has the most very, you know, very delicate and pretty work to me. You know, I've always loved this one in particular, this design where it really stands out the jal. Okay, so ये है combination आपका. This is like silk, 6,800 per meter. This is a Georgette dupatta. All you're really looking for in this combination is a plain silk bottom. उसको थोड़ा सा dressy बनाएं, तो you can go for a same on same, and that would also be good. So silk, Katan silk and Georgette, a great combination together. You never go wrong with it, and it looks really good. But it is an ensemble, which means that आप जितना चाहें उतना fabric ले सकते हैं. 5 मीटर, 6 मीटर, 2.5, 3, and the dupatta or without the dupatta, even that works. Now, in contrast to that, this one that I'm showing you is a suit set. So yeah, now I think next we have all suit sets lined up, and I'm going to be showing you that one by one. Here you go. Oh, that is really hot. This one is a full Georgette. It's going to come with a plain silk bottom. Okay, and I think it's just perfect when you are in a hurry. Maybe you want to quickly dress up. You take out a suit, you wear it, and this is going to be your look. Okay, it's just amazing. This one. Next one, a stunner black in cotton. Yes, that's your suit. Okay, and this one is also a suit. Remember, मैंने ओढ़ा है दुपट्टा, but it is a suit set. I'm going to be showing you the color in it. What a striking pure cotton. Okay, look, I mean, just have a look at this one. It's pure cotton, it's black, it's just amazing. Okay, there you go. This is your, there you go, this is the bottom, also woven on the loom. Here you have a 3-piece, okay, pure cotton and in Karwa and in Sona Rupa, and it is amazing. Like, look at that striking combination. I mean, I love it. Yes, it's absolute black magic with this one, but we're also kind of going to give you a very soft look right there with it, and that's going to be this one. Okay, forgive me, let me just remove this thread from there. Really simply beautiful pastel dusty version of pink. These suits with the finish that they have, आप इसको शादी में पहने, आप इसको इवेंट्स में पहने, दिन में पहने, रात में पहने, कहीं भी, they are going to be amazing. And once you have worn, and I really mean it, our premium cottons or our pure cotton suits, there is no going back. They are treat visually, yes, but also something to your skin. It's most amazing. Here you go. Lots of prices mentioned, but lots of prices on request. Okay, so there will always be a mix of that. The best way at the end of it is on WhatsApp. When you come, आपको सारे ही detail मिल सकते हैं. That was 2 amazing cotton suits in black, in dusty pink. I loved it. And yes, this is our Meenakari pure cotton. Okay, there is a difference between our pure cotton, premium cotton. Pure cotton suits are cotton by cotton, okay, which is very different composition from premium cotton. And then you have Chanderi cotton, which is another category. What I'm wearing is a premium cotton. What you're seeing here is a pure cotton. So yes, very varied pieces, and just look at that. This one, I love it. I'm going to say it, I'm not a very big mustard color fan, okay, but the moment you see it with this red and pink and this, it couldn't get better. I think it's ravishing as a full set with just a pop of Meena. It's gorgeous, from our premium collection of our suits. And here it is. There you go. Yes, our store that you're seeing, and that's a good suggestion. We're online. We call Neer and Vibhuti, the founder, and we're based in Mumbai. But how we work and always have worked is online. So आपको सिर्फ WhatsApp करना है. हम दुनिया भर में we have our clients, okay, and you can just kind of join us from anywhere in the world for our lives. This one, a pure white from our Hiranya collection, a premium Meenakari, all in Karwa, again a pure cotton suit. That's amazing. Now it is this wonderful white. आप इसको किसी भी कलर में डाई करा सकते हैं, but इसकी जो beauty है, it's something else altogether in white. So when you're looking for that one perfect suit, it's going to be this one. It's just flawless. Bottom के साथ भी border है, and you can use it on your kurta if you want, and of course you can use it on your bottom. So there you go. Now I'm going to end with just the last 2 pieces. Okay, that's all that we have. Last 2 pieces, but देखने की चीजें हैं दोनों ही. And the first dupatta that I'm going to be showing you as a part of the second last piece is this one. It's your cream beauty, this natural color look. Just you have to see this, the flow. I mean, it happens to be my most beautiful and favorite color, especially when it's matched with red. That's a Katan silk, Jal, Karwa, dupatta, and with just a speck of red, Sona and Rupa, it's perfect in every which ways. Okay, look at that. Here you go. There you go. Yes. And what we're going to be doing with it are 2 kind of combinations. First things first, let's just kind of do our classic, which is going to be the red and the cream. Okay, the red and the cream, like, I mean, unmatched beauty, elegance to it. But you say that I love the natural color. Of course, it looks really nice with red. This is also a very nice Katan silk red fabric to be worn. इस दुपट्टे के साथ या किसी भी दुपट्टे के साथ, it's going to be really good. Okay, now you can do this entire combination. It looks amazing, but I'm also going to be showing you one more combination, And there you go. This is it. So this is the perfect match. The fabric that I'm holding in my hand is satin. It's got a speck of red, which is what makes it perfect with this. You're going to be going for a same on same. यही आपका perfect look रहेगा for enjoying this most wonderful and beautiful dupatta as a set. So there you go. From that, I'm going to move on to the very last piece that we have for you, which is this. Okay, and look at that. Here it is. It's this green dupatta. All its beauty right here in my hand. You know, the glory of this dupatta. It's everything that you wish for when you are thinking of the very best dupatta. Okay, with it we can match one fabulous look, and that's what I'm going to be doing. And this is from our premium Kattan silks. Look at that. That's your combination. It's as perfect as it gets. All you got to do is probably go for a plain bottom. And honestly, I do have enough for you to be going same on same, which is actually going to be a perfect match for this very premium and rich dupatta. So there you go. That was all for today. Very, effective way of seeing some fabulous pieces. I think we've done so many things today. We've done silks, we've done cottons, we've done organza, dupattas, suits, fabric, all of it. So thank you guys, and have a great week ahead. It's July, and it's like the third week already. My God, the month is flying, and have a great one. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.